For the final aspect of evaluating the CO2 science site, we need to take a look at the actual scientific consensus. So you can actually find this pretty easy. If you go into climate change on Wikipedia, there is literally an aspect on the scientific consensus. And if you look at any specific issue, most pages are going to have an individual scientific consensus. And just in looking through that, recent literature reached over 99%. Scientific discussion takes place in journal articles that are peer reviewed. We've talked about the importance of that in terms of establishing a basis of understanding. The 2021 IPCC report stated that it was unequivocal that climate change is caused by humans. So this is something that is out there. This is something that the predominant factor that all of these climate scientists have come to in terms of their overall conclusions. They're in agreement. The science is backing them up in terms of their overall claims that they're making in terms of the effects that we would see of the overall background. Now, in looking at the CO2 Science Site, the non-governmental International Panel on Climate Change basically convenes anytime the Intergovernmental Panel does, all right, and it refutes their results. And it's supported by some of these lobbying groups. It's supported by like these CO2 science sites. And this funding that is there for those sites, if you're looking at a specific T chart, on one side you would have the specific climate change is something that is caused by human interactions in the environments and that is an overall net negative to the environment. The non-governmental international panel and the overall CO2 science site is going to be living on the opposite side of that T, which is going to make your T chart quite difficult. And whenever you go through and research other different scientific claims, it's much more likely that they're a little bit less in terms of overall opposition. But for this specific set, your overall scientific consensus is pretty opposing in terms of the overall sides.